spray mops have cleared into the core of numerous mortgage holders. They finish a similar work, yet they are more agreeable and less untidy to move around your kitchen or washroom than an exemplary mop and pail set. While selecting a shower mop for your house, it's critical to consider the mop's size, power source, arrangement, and usability, and how these highlights will mean cleaning your floors. Some spray mops accompany broad mop heads, which are perfect for cleaning enormous segments of deck with each swipe. In any case, remember that this extended width could make it extreme to tidy up more modest rooms or get into little hiding spots. Consider the sort of deck you'll clean while you're picking a shower mop. Some are worked for wood floors while others are made to handle vinyl and tile. A few mops can deal with the two kinds of ground surface as long as you change the cleaning answer for each. Some shower mops could in fact be utilized to wash enormous glass entryways or windows. Most shower mops are sold dismantled, so you'll have to assemble the mop prior to utilizing. Remember this and look into the gathering directions assuming you're concerned. Hi my friends and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I present you best spray mops. Before you start, subscribe to the channel and press the like button to be up to date with all the news. Let's begin. Number 5 in our top is from the Panda brand. The spray mop is designed with a 360 degrees rotatable head that can easily turn to fit any tight spot. No more achy muscles or back strain from stretching or twisting your body to reach difficult areas. Let the spray mop do the work for you. This spray mop can reach all of the narrowest spaces without the need to lift your furniture UPS. Easily cleans the dust under your sofa, tables, bed, or in corners. Press the trigger in short bursts, or longer ones, to control the pressure of the spraying action. Cleaning mist will cover a fan-shaped area from a distance of 5 to 40 inches. The 400 ml spray bottle can be filled with the solution of your choice. Use store-bought or homemade cleaning solution to suit your own individual needs. Made of dense microfiber, the mop pad can absorb and lock the smallest dirt. The microfiber pad is reusable and easy to clean. It can be machine washable. Its wider cleaning pad can cut your floor cleaning time to make the mopping faster. Comes with a scraper that can be used to scrape hair and dirt off from the microfiber pad before washing. The flat edge can be used to scrape excess moisture from pad or tough dirt on floor. Convenient Velcro design makes attaching or removing the mop pads a breeze. The replacement pads are super thick and stay firmly attached even when soaking wet, or confronted with especially tough messes on floors that would require thorough scrubbing. Number 4 in our top is from the Domi-patrol brand. The 360-degree cleaning mop head of the floor spray mop easily reach into the dark corners of sofas, bottoms, etc. Do not need to bend over. Bid farewell to mobile furniture. The aluminum alloy pole construction of the dust mop spray is sturdy, reliable, lightweight, flexible, and durable. The microfiber spray mop pads have millions of microscopic fibers, which can grab dirt, dust, and hair, meanwhile reach deep into cracks to pick up more grime than flat disposables. The microfiber floor mop pad is 100% machine washable and reusable. The top of microfiber dust mop handle has metal ring, so you could hang the wet mop on the wall. You don't need to make more room for the floor mop anymore. Our spray mop with washable pads clean your kitchen, hardwood, marble, tile, laminate, or ceramic floors quick, easy, and safe. The refillable spray mop is always ready for cleaning, with reusable cleaning system that doesn't require batteries or charging cable. The wet jet spray mop includes a reusable 635 ml bottle, using more flexible with lightweight body. Please clean the bottle when you finished cleaning. The multifunctional scraper is given to squeeze water on the pad of reusable spray mops, and remove dirt and stains on floor/tile. We continue with the number 3 that is part of the MANGOTIME brand. MANGOTIME newly released spray mop set is coming as a surprise. In this set you will get 2 refillable water tanks and 4 reusable microfiber mop pads at a very affordable price. Extra bottle can not only be a spare bottle in case that one is missing, it can also meet your demand of adding different cleaning solution into these 2 bottles for cleaning different types of floors. The tightly sealed bottle of floor mop prevents the bottle from leaking water. Microfiber mop pads are machine washable, so you needn't repeatedly purchase replacement pads, more cost-effective than disposable cloth. Save money and protect our planet at the same time. 4 PCS reusable mop pads are offered to meet your daily use. You can use them to clean different areas, and they are always ready for next use. The surface of the dry wet mop pad is soft and absorbent, which protects your floor from scratches, perfect for wet and dry use. One of most appealing point of spray mop for floor cleaning is that you don't need to carry a heavy bucket around and you can easily control the amount of water. Just a simple squeeze of the trigger, the sprayer will release right amount of water evenly and quickly. The details of hardwood floor mop are delicate and thoughtful. The hanging loop on the top of the wood floor mop handle makes the kitchen mop easy to store without worrying that the flat mop takes up too much spaces or makes your house messy. Number 2 in our top is from the O-Cedar brand. Are you fed up with traditional mops? Choose this spray mop, reusable microfiber pad go for all floor types, such as hardwood, laminate wood, ceramic tiles and etc. Ergonomic hand grip control and rod length, you can do cleaning without the need to bend or crouch. Make floor cleaning easy and simple. The responsive spray head allows you to spray as much or as little liquid as you desire. Save unnecessary time and frustration mopping up water. Add in our 180-degree swivel head and get around bulky, heavy furniture without the headache of moving it all around. 2 reusable mop cleaning pads for your replacement, which are soft, water-absorbing, durable and reusable, way more economical than disposable cleaning pads. Prolong the service life of the spray mop and save you money. Lastly, no need for batteries as you have more control with a manual spray handle, which is also environmentally friendly. Are you tired of hauling around a heavy bucket and mop to clean your floors? Thanks to this microfiber spray mop, the refillable bottle allows you to choose the best cleaning solution for your needs. No more buying expensive chemical solution refills. The O-Cedar spray mop features a refillable bottle so that you can fill it with any cleaning solution you want. And finally, the number 1 product in our top is part of the O-Cedar brand. Deep cleaning microfiber effectively removes over 99% of bacteria with water. Flipping head provides twice the coverage so you can clean longer without stopping. Save money by washing your microfiber pad for repeat use. The ProMist Max Spray Mop Pad features scrub zones to help you tackle stubborn dirt and sticky spots on the floor. No more buying expensive chemical solution refills. The ProMist Max features a refillable bottle so that you can fill it with any cleaning solution you want. Just add 2 small teaspoons of cleaning solution to water in the bottle and you are ready to shine your floors. You can even clean with just water since the microfiber pad removes dirt, grime, and more. Which spray mop would you like to buy? Leave us a comment below. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you soon. Bye.